Hello, my name's Kelly Ariani. I'm the Athletic and Student Activity Director at Suncoast High School. I am so excited to tell you about our athletic programs. At Suncoast, we have 18 different sports and 44 different sports teams. In the fall, you'll be able to participate in bowling, cross country, football, boys and girls golf, cheer, swim and dive, and girls volleyball. In the winter, we have girls and boys basketball, competitive cheer, sideline basketball cheer, girls and boys soccer, wrestling, and girls weightlifting. And in the spring, you can participate in boys weightlifting, girls and boys lacrosse, softball, baseball, tennis, flag football, water polo, and track. As you can see, we have a little bit of everything for everyone. In 2020, Suncoast High School signed 17 athletes to a full NCAA athletic scholarship. We also had national qualifiers in competitive cheer. We had 5 different teams as state qualifiers: swimming, wrestling, track, competitive cheer, and golf. We had several regional finalists: track and field, softball, baseball, soccer, boys basketball, water polo, flag football, cross country, and golf. And we had many district champions. At Suncoast, we pride ourselves in our hard work, our commitment, and our dedication to our athletic program and to being a student athlete. If you have any questions, you can join some of our coaches as well as myself at 6:30 for a Google Meet. Hope to see you there.